So this is mainly used for efficiency.
Yes.
So it allows Kenya Power, which is the utility, and solar as a primary source.
Okay.
So just in case there might be a problem, which it's very rare, you might have a problem with the inverter. The automatic changeover will change automatically. So even if you're in the compound, it's very rare for you to know even that you don't have power.
Okay.
Yeah. So this actually, it's an automatic. So it just from the name, change over. I changed from Kenya Power to solar, or from solar to Kenya Power. Right.
Okay. So it's like you have power 24 hours.
24 hours.
In case there is no electricity,
have
solars take off immediately.
Yeah.
In case there is a solar problem, power takes over immediately, Kenya Power.
Yeah.
Now, the next one.
So here exactly we have the AC output breaker. So the AC output is from the inverter. So anything that comes from the inverter gets into this breaker.
Okay.
So it regulates the amount of power that is being drawn from the inverter. So basically all these gadgets that we are installing in place are to protect the inverter, because this is the most important thing on a solar system. Because if you don't protect it, you're not going to have the solar. So we will always have to regulate what gets into it and what gets out of it, so that we make sure that it's within the rated standard. So this is just to also protect the inverter so that the client doesn't draw more from it. And then we have two breakers here. So one is for the mother's house. This system is powering actually two houses. Okay. We have one, the mother's house of the client, and then the next one is the client's house. So we want the clients to know exactly, in case there's a problem, we are able to know, okay, which side of the system is having a problem. If I switch off this, I know the mother's house is off. Okay.